Hey there, Zontes fans. Buckle up, or rather, gear up, because today we're diving into the exhilarating world of the Zontes 350S cruiser motorbike, a true masterpiece on two wheels that blends power, style, and technology in one sleek package. Imagine the perfect ride, the wind in your hair, the roar of the engine, and the open road stretching out before you. The Zontes 350S is designed to turn that dream into reality. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie looking to make a statement, this bike has something for everyone. First things first, let's talk about its jaw-dropping design. The Zontes 350S boasts a bold, aggressive stance with sharp lines and a muscular build. Its futuristic LED lighting system, sculpted fuel tank, and sleek bodywork make it an absolute head-turner. Trust me, you'll be racking up compliments wherever you go. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast, the engine. The Zontes 350S is powered by a 348 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers impressive torque and acceleration. With a top speed of around 160 kilometers per hour, this cruiser is not just about looks. It's about raw, unadulterated performance. The advanced Bosch fuel injection system ensures smooth power delivery and optimal fuel efficiency, so you can enjoy those long rides without constantly worrying about refueling. In the realm of tech, the Zontes 350S doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a digital LCD dashboard that provides all the essential information at a glance, from speed and RPM to fuel level and trip meter. The bike also features keyless ignition, which means no more fumbling with keys. Just hop on and ride. Plus, the adjustable suspension ensures a comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. Long rides demand comfort, and the Zontes 350S delivers in spades. The ergonomically designed seat provides excellent support, while the well-placed handlebars ensure a relaxed riding posture. Whether you're cruising through city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, this bike keeps you comfortable all the way. So, why should you choose the Zontes 350S cruiser motorbike? Simple. It's the perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. It's a bike that not only looks good but feels incredible to ride. If you're ready to experience the thrill of the open road like never before, the Zontes 350S is your ticket to an unforgettable journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting reviews, motorbike and scooter maintenance, and updates. Ride safe and ride strong. Regards, Madmick.